Greetings everybody, Amar here, and in this video I'm going to do a little Texas workout. Now I've already snipped out chart 4 from the program here, and you can see here this is Texas 5 of 35. Here this is the range 1 to 151 as of 3/18/2019. So today's March 19th, 2019. So I'm just going to pull this up a little bit here. Okay, now I also snipped out 4B. Okay, 4B is essentially 4, okay, from top to bottom, but going from right to left. So for instance, number 1, you can see here, this is number 1, okay, and you have skips 5, 2, 3, 2, 4. And if you look at the 4B, that's right here, 5, 2, 3, 2, 4, currently at 8. Okay, now I did one other thing differently is I have 4B conditional. So if you look at this chart within the program and you right click on it, it gives you the option to export to text. So that's what I've done. So the 4B conditional will be the export to text. Now if I put it in A1 and right click and paste special, I'll put text, okay? And then you hit OK, and there you go. And I just want to just double check. Did I put that? Did that go into Notepad? I don't remember. Yeah, actually, when you do the export, it actually goes into Notepad first. Sorry, and then you have to. There's a box you check, export to Notepad, and then you. So anyway, once it's in Notepad, then you right-click, select all, and then you copy here, paste. Now you can see already that this here. Okay, this 4B, all right, it's going from right to left, where this 4B is going from left to right. Now I don't know if that's a mistake or if that's on purpose, but I haven't bothered to call the programmer to see what the deal is with that or to tell him to do it regular. So somebody told me that he had updated it and fixed it, but obviously that wasn't true. So what the first thing to do here is, first of all, you got to look and see that it's not lined up, right? And actually it looks like, let's see here, I'm seeing 11, 12, 13. So where are the other numbers? Something's wrong here. Alright, so let's clear the contents. Let me go back to Notepad. Okay, that's what I did. I think I just... No, wait a minute. It's not. It's only doing to 11. That's very strange. Alright, let me try one more time with the export and see if it still does that weird export. So I'm going back into Advantage. Alright, I have here the text. Okay, export grid to text. Only rows 0 to 35. Export. Save. There you go. There's 1, 2, 3. I don't know why that happened. Select all. Copy. Alright, you're going to shrink that. Alright, so hopefully we're back in Excel here. So this is 4B. And then we're going to go A1 again. Paste special. Text. Hit OK. Okay, now here you can see that it's not aligned. So now I have to do some more of that annoying dragging. So I'm going to drag this over here. Okay, drag this to the left. You can tell easily any number that has the asterisk should be in the number column. And this one, well, this one's the 8 here. So let's see, number 9. Yeah, any asterisk should be here. So that's easy to see. So any asterisks, you got to drag the data to the left. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This one doesn't have an asterisk, but it's the 18 should be there. This one also, the 20. These are, again, more little headaches that always occur in the exporting, importing process. So now that I drag these here, Okay, now that the numbers are in order, what I do here is I go insert, and I'm going to copy these numbers over again, and this number sign, just to have it in duplicate and to make it for ease of sorting. And I think also I put in another insert here, and I'm going to copy this row here and pull this up. Now we want this to go from left to right to make it more like this chart 4B. So if I remember correctly, I just copy all this data here, right? Copy, and then I'm going to go into a fresh sheet here, and then I'm going to paste special values, transpose, right? And then let's see, hit OK. All right, now it's, here's the number here, and let's see, did that work? 35. Well, this is over here, and let me see, do I want to, all right, let me copy it again, and then let's go to the next sheet here, and let's transpose it again. Paste special, transpose. Now I just transpose it back to where it was. That's not really good. It's not what I want to. It's got to be a way to make it like a mirror image here. I don't know. Anyway, it just doesn't feel as comfortable reading it from right to left. It's like my brain is kind of like twisted. It's like I have to read it. I'm reading it like Jewish writing from right to left. Okay, so well, let's highlight this here as the numbers. So I guess let's just do it from right to left. Unfortunately, I got to figure out a way to do it from left to right. I might figure it out, but right now I don't have any idea. So this is the 4B. All right, let's go back to the 4B here. Copy. So 4B conditional. I have it named conditional because I'm going to add conditional formatting here. All right, and this is the numbers. Let me put a black box around this just to delineate it a little bit. Okay, and this is the skip periods. Well, this should be delineated also. Now the first and easiest thing to do is to just try to locate all of the cold skips or dormant periods. And so I go to Home, Conditional Format, Highlight Cell Rules greater than 9. And I like to put this light blue color. So Custom Format, fill is this light blue here. Not sure what the name of that blue is, but and then I hit OK. And then you start looking at the dormant periods. Oh snap! Now this is a power number watch. Okay, so obviously it looks like I've missed this for a little bit because I remember this last being at skip 2, looking for a hot skip. So this is okay. Again, this is the current skip is the 0. Put another box there. Alright, so this is the current skip. Alright, and maybe I'll just change this, make it look different. I'll put it from, let's see, rotate text up. So those are your numbers there, and this is the current skip. Maybe we'll make the font smaller. I'll put it at 7. Okay. So counting right to left, here you had 1 dormant period. So here you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's 5 dormant periods. And here you had a reverse flag. 4, 0, and then it repeated. So you're looking for a streak now where you're going to try to, hopefully the maximum will remain around 4. So this should be the power number for skip 1, skip 2, skip 3, and skip 4, minimum. So that's 4 games to hold this 9 as a power number. Alright. Now one way to show that this is 5 cold periods is to go to the 4, right? Chart 4, and I just insert a little bit of word art, right? And then I put, it says your text here, I put in the number 5, and I'm going to shrink this to, let's see, the font will be whatever, 24, right? And I'm going to place this here, this 5, on top of this 21. That indicates that this 9 is 5 cold periods, all right? So by doing it this way, I can see, well, the 5 indicates 5 cold periods, 5 dormant periods. Knowing this, I can bypass chart number 7, all right? But you have to use the conditional formatting to see the cold periods easy, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here it's coming in. If you just look at the 4 and you see this 9, you're going to see a skip 21 here. You're going to have no idea how many dormant periods it is, how cold it is, right? The 4B tells you how cold it is. Here it is. See the number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I could even put this little 5, okay, over here. Where are we? Copy. I could even put the little 5 in this side, right? So I can mark it here also, so that it stands out. You gotta, this is just to make things, make more sense of the data. So 5 is, where's number 9? 5 cold periods, and I like to, I'll put 5. The format for that would be JFill, no, text fill. Oops, it's white, and it's going to be blue. It's a blue color, right? So it's number 5. 5 cold periods. So you've had 1 to 21, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3 hits. You're looking for the 4th hit for the number 9. So that's a power number suggestion for up to skip 4 for sure. All right. And off of that, you can pick whatever other numbers you think are good. You can use the spread scenario, the 21 spread. So from 9 plus 21 brings you to 30. So 30 would technically be your last number here. And you can see that 30 here is a bottom. Right? It just hit it. No, actually, no, it's not a bottom. It just hit it, skip 24. So it just hit it at the bottom, 24. Now here you have one. Here you had a streak from the beginning of the game. Here you had 1 dormant period, and you had the hot skip. All right, and then you had the 2nd dormant period, and then you had, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 hits in that streak. Okay, so I reset my dormant period count at that point. So now you have 24. So 1 cold period or dormant period. I have a hard time saying dormant instead of cold, because cold is relative, because this is 11 and this is 24. So you would say that 24 is colder than 11, but by the same rationale, I would say this is 1, 2, 3 dormant periods. This is 1, 2, 3 dormant periods. And that's just for simplicity, because otherwise you have to get into averages and things like that, which are important and can be used, but out of simplicity, I just like to look at the dormant periods. So now you have your other number that you could use. So you have now a framework. Okay, this I'm gonna color this blue. Is that blue? Are you turning blue on me? You're not turning color on me. What's wrong with you? Turn blue. Alright, it's not turning blue. Why aren't you turning blue? Why are you not turning blue? Let's see. Where are you? Blue. Turn blue. Where's the blue? 30. Turn blue, damn it. Okay. So it's your cold number, 30. It's at a 0, which is a hot skip. And then 9 is your like hot number. So this number is in a streak. This number you're hoping to begin a streak. And then you just try to pick a couple numbers in between here, right? And these are the current skips. And you can just look and see here. So I'll just do another quick conditional formatting. I like to format my flag skips as pink. So home, conditional format, highlight cell rules between 4 and 6 is pink. It originally derived from hot pink, the hot pink fluorescent marker, or highlighter rather. So hit OK. These are all flag skips, right? Also some variation of a flag. Here's a 2-5 flag. Here's a 3-5 flag. Here's a 2-6 flag. Here's a 0-5 flag. And remember, this is all being read right to left here, when it really should be read from left to right here. So that's it. I'm going to probably consider this and then look in the middle. Oh, I forgot to, these have to be also formatted. Conditional formatted, highlight cell rules between 4 and 6. Custom format. More colors. Pink. Okay. Alright, so what do we can see here? Here's a flag 06. Here's 9-6. Here's a bottom 6-7. Here's a flag 04. So this actually looks pretty good because you have a 23-4 reverse flag here, 4-2 reverse cascade, descending, decreasing, 4 bottom symmetry to the 4, and then 4-0 again reverse cascade, decreasing, and now it's upstroking to the 4 again. So 4-4-4. So there you go. So another third number, pink. Okay, and then let's see what else flags. Another 04 flag, 47-4 reverse, 26 reverse, 15-5 reverse, 17-08 upstroke. Let's see. Let's look at the 27. It's 11. 11 symmetrical to the 10. It's also symmetrical to the 12. It's also symmetrical to the 13. The 13, the 12. So we'll pick another. Pick the 25. All right, and that's it. So that's 4 recommendations. You can see how I'm doing it. Here you have 104, 152, 13. It's a partial flag. 04, 15, hot and hitting. Right. So I'll put it's red, it's hot, and here's a reverse flag. Here's a hot skip. Here's another reverse flag, or rather a downstroke in the flag. You had 00005, and now it's a downstroke. So there you go. There's just some recommendations. Numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. I would recommend 9 is the power number. And there you go. So good luck if you want to use these numbers. I'll try to track and see how these look. And that's about it. Any questions, comments, subscribe, hit like, and good luck. Happy number hunting.